Was over 40 years ago, my father drove it here. Mama wasn't happy, she said it was too dear. 'Twas a mighty little tractor, what a sight to see. The joy upon my father's face was so plain to me. The horse went to the stable, his working days were o'er. The bridle's hanging on the wall, he'll plow those fields no more. The coming of the tractor was the joy of many men. Daddy was the first man to own one way back then. I love that little Massey, the pride of my life. They say I thought more of it than I did of my dear wife. It took me to church on Sundays, to wakes and weddings too. If I didn't have my Massey, Lord, what would I do? Have nearly gone, my father has passed on. Farming ways have changed so much, those memories linger on. There is no doubt about it, that legend changed our ways. God bless you, Harry Ferguson, the Massey's here to stay. I love that little Massey, the pride of my life. They say I think more of it than I do of my dear wife. It takes me to church on Sundays, to wakes and weddings too. If I didn't have my Massey, Lord, what would I do? If I didn't have my Massey, Lord, what would I do?
Shiny little Beamer with the rag top down, sitting in the drive, but you wouldn't get out. Dogs were all barking and wagging around, and I just laughed and said, you all get in. She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. Said, what you wanna do, baby, I don't care. We can go to the show, we can stay right here, and I can take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow or make it go faster, down through the woods and out to the pasture. Long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, but baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Fired up and I can show you around. Sit up on the hill and watch the sun go down. When the fireflies are dancing and the moon comes out, we can turn on the lights and head back to the house.